Question. While digging a well for water, water was found after digging 20 feet. That means the well is 20 feet deep. Out of this, water has filled up to 10 feet. For the pulley system, a wall was built up to 5 feet above the ground level, and the pulley was fixed in the middle. Now, to draw water, a 2-foot bucket has to be tied with a rope. How many feet of rope are needed? Let's draw a diagram and understand the problem once. Let's see the solution. To draw water, we should consider the water level instead of the total depth of the well. Water level 10 feet. Wall above the ground 5 feet. The rope must also go 5 feet down from the pulley to draw the water. Diagram. Understand the problem once. The well is 20 feet deep. The well is 20 feet deep. Ground level 5 feet. A wall was built up to 5 feet above the ground level. Water has filled up to 10 feet. Water has filled up to 10 feet. From here to here, 5 plus 10, so 15 feet. The total rope from here to here, 10 feet plus 5 feet extra. 5 feet equals so total 20 feet. 20.